What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, turn your post notifications, your post notifications. Today's video, we are going to be doing an unboxing of some clippers that I just got in the mail. I ordered them from Forward Barber Supply, so shout out to Forward Barber Supply. They are a barber supply there in Fort Worth, Texas. They have District Barbershop as two of the shops that they own. Edward and his wife are always taking care of those that rock with them. And they're just a great overall business. They do a lot here in Texas. They do a lot for the barber community here in Texas. So shout out to them first off. And but let's get to what we got in the box here. By the thumbnail, you already know what it is, but let's get to it.
Look, I just flipped the switch.
So I don't got a knife, but I got a pen. So let's just try to get this open real quick. Whoa, broke my pen. There goes the ink. That wasn't the best idea. We got the box open. Let's go ahead and see what we got in here. For all y'all ASMR people. I got y'all. But right here we got the Wahl Cordless Magic Clip, the gold edition. Like all of Wahl's packaging hasn't changed much for a lot of their clippers. Still got the same design. I mean, it's still pleasing to the eye, but they don't change it up. They don't really do much any different, but it is aesthetic. They don't do it like Stylecraft, but shout out to Wahl though for, you know, still bringing something new to the game. Not so much a new clipper, but a new colorway, so to speak. The gold, it does look dope, I'm not gonna lie. The gold looks really dope. I'm not gonna sit here in front like I wasn't excited for this clipper to come out, but we do have the stagger tooth blade, titanium and DLC coatings. This clipper can be used cord or cordless. You have there's the body there, the gold and black. And we have Cordless Magic Clip. It says designed for seamless blends when hard or soft line fading. Bulk hair removal, unique stagger tooth blade blends hair and creates texture while cutting. Comes with 8 premium guards, so to speak. Crunch blade technology, blade adjustment lever. It is a floating lever, not a quick lever. We got the cord or cordless convenience. Up to 100 minutes of runtime with the lithium-ion battery. And there is the overall contents of what you get in there. So it does look like it comes with a charging stand, which is dope. But here on the back, we have more specifications of what we got going on with the clipper here. So there that is right there. It says a patented stagger tooth blade with crunch blade technology. 1.80 inches wide for the blade, metal lever adjust blade, high carbon steel blades with titanium and DLC coatings, maximum continuous power. By being able to use the charging dock, weighted space saving charge stand with cord rotation. So the back of the charging stand cord, it does rotate, which makes it to where it could bend easier, and you're not obstructing the cord and making it bend in ways that is not abnormal. It's an easier way for the actual charging stand to charge without the charging cord being damaged. It also has smart LED indicator. So a solid light indicates a full charge, flashing indicates a low charge, pulse indicates that the clipper is charging. And then other than that, let's get to what's in the box. All right, everybody, so let's go ahead and open the box and see what we have inside the contents of the box. Go ahead and slide this off. Like I said, with any Wahl clipper, this is what you got here. This is the basic packaging that most Wahl clippers are coming in now. So you got the box, flip it open. You have this another pull tab here, and then you have your actual clipper inside the box in a separate plastic container. So we'll go ahead and pull this out here. We'll dive into everything before we actually look at the clipper. So we have our charging cord. Of course, you got your charging cord. And then we have another box inside the box. Lots of boxes. Shout out to Roddy Rich. But you can see here, we got all of our premium combs, AKA our guards or guides. You can see here, we got the 8 guard all the way down to the half guard. So you have all of your premium guides. And we also have more guides here, more guards. I'm gonna keep saying guides. More guards. You have your 1.5 and your half guard here. And then also, of course, you got your brush and your oil. It also comes with a comb, just like the Magic Clip or the Wahl Senior or any clipper basically that, you know, Wahl puts out. They always come with this specific comb here. And we have one more box, which is this right here, which is going to be your, I believe, charging dock. And that is what that is there. So here's the charging dock. Let's go ahead and open this up here. It's got the gold lettering in the front, pretty sturdy. Let me put this box aside here. It's got a lot of weight to it, so it is a sturdy charger. You can see inside, that's where the clipper is actually gonna sit in the charging dock. And this is where your cord can wrap around, right in this area, and plug in there. So that swivel cord, I'll show you here in a second, but the swivel cord will allow it to maneuver in different angles, different ways, without it obstructing the cord or damaging it. So there is the charging dock. Like I said, it's got a little bit of weight to it, which is a good thing. So you can see it, pretty heavy. But there is the gold edition metal magic clip. No, not metal, I keep saying metal. There's the gold edition magic clip. Like I said, I can't really complain or say anything bad about it. It is extremely appeasing to the eye. The colorway is dope. It's got the black, the gold, it's got the gold blade, got the black screws, the gold lever. Everything is very aesthetic. It doesn't feel much heavier than the OG magic clip, but tomorrow when I get to the shop, I will take a stab and take a look and see that if it is just as heavy. If not, go ahead and compare it to the magic clip as well. And but overall, this is just the unboxing, and I'll be using it in the shop tomorrow. I just got them in today. It took them 2 days to get here from Fort Worth, but that's how it sits in the dock right there. The only thing that I'm not gonna dig is just the smear marks that is gonna be on the clipper because of the reflective material or colorway that it is. You could already see some smear marks, but these are minor things. But we're gonna go ahead and get to the shop tomorrow, see how it performs, see how it works. I'll get some clips of me fading, also debulking hair, and just seeing how it works overall inside the shop. I'm not too certain on, you know, the power or if there's anything different other than the colorway, but I'll do an RPM test on this one as well as the OG magic clip to see if there's a difference. But we'll see tomorrow. But you can see there also there's a black cutting blade, which is the stagger tooth blade, so that's cool. But other than that, let's get some clips in the shop compared to the OG magic clip and see how it operates. But before we see how it operates, I did want to show you here the charging cord and what I meant by the swivel. So as you can see there, this is where you plug in your charging cord. It's upside down, but let's see. Let me get this for, no, it wasn't upside down. All right, so I'm having a difficult time here. Hold on.
6.5 hours later.
All right, I got it. So the swivel part right here, if you see the charging dock, you can move this cord back and forth right here. So it swivels. So depending on where you want to set it on your station, if you want to set it, you know, in the back corner, you can put this way so there's less tension on your cord. So wherever you set it, you want to be able to have the least amount of tension as possible so you don't damage your cord. But that is, you know, a dope concept to have for your charging port. But other than that, let's get to the shop and get these clips for y'all. So we got both the magic clips here. We got the OG here and the newer gold magic clip. I will tell you that the gold magic clip is a bit heavier, and I just ran the RPMs on the magic clip. I was running about 5340. I'll throw a screenshot up of the RPM reading. And then on the gold, it was running 6400, I believe. But I'm gonna throw the screenshot up there of the RPM reading that I just took, and you can see from there. So based off of that RPM reading, there is a bit of a difference in the internals of the gold magic clip. So the gold magic clip is a lot more powerful than the original magic clip. But with that, we're gonna put it to the test. I am going to zero gap this clipper before I actually use it, so you can see it's not that close. I kind of like it a little bit more closer like that. So I will zero gap these clippers and get them ready to go. But digging the feel for it. I like the heaviness of it, and like I said, I already felt when I opened the box that it was a bit heavier, and it happens to be a bit heavier. But other than that, the clippers are pretty spot on as far as the dimensions. They are the same dimensions as you can see there. This one's just a little bit more heavier. But let's get to it. So before we get to the demos, you can see here that I did zero gap the blade. I wanted to get it a little bit closer because that's how I like to operate my specific clippers. So you can see there, we did get it a lot closer. But we're gonna get to these haircuts. I'm gonna go run it through some bulk, do some taper work with it, get some fade work done with it, and go from there. I will say that I already know this lever here, I'm gonna get calluses on the side of my thumb, because if you have used the, I believe it's the Wahl Legend, when you're using the lever so much, this specific lever, I don't know what it is, but it really causes a lot of callus on your thumb when you're moving it. That was one thing I didn't like, but little things here and there. I'm just being honest, but let's get to it. All right, everybody, so you've seen the clippers in action, the gold metal, I keep saying metal, the gold Magic Clip Cordless Edition. I will say that this clipper has impressed me a lot. I didn't expect much to be different than the original Magic Clips, but these did surpass my actual idea of what they were going to be. I really thought that they were just going to be the OG Magic Clips with a different colorway, gold blade, gold lever. But it's a lot different. It's a lot heavier in the hand. Like I said, it is more powerful, has a lot more RPM than the OG Magic Clip. The overall look of the clipper, I dig it. It's got the fade blade on there. I dig that. I did get calloused on my thumb already from using this all day today. But it is a workhorse. It cuts through bulk. It lasts all day. Well, as far as last, I mean, like, you know, I kept it on the charger in between haircuts, and it has remained powerful all day. I haven't noticed any lag. It didn't pull or snag on hair as I'm cutting hair. So overall, I would say that this is a cop. I really dig this clipper. I am a Wahl fan. Wahl will always be one of those companies, like I've said, with the Wahl Legend. If you haven't watched that video, you know, these clippers are just nostalgic for me because these are what I used when I first started cutting hair. I started using the Wahl color-coded clipper that you could get from Walmart. This is up there. It could compete with everything that's out right now. It could compete with your BMGs. You can compete with your Rebels. Put out a lot of saucy work today with this. It is powerful. Like I said, it's quiet. I really enjoy the fact that it is quiet. My Rebels got loud after a while, but the Rebels the Rebels are still up there on my top 5 list. With all that being said, if you like Wahl, if you like the Magic Clip, the Seniors, the Legend, I would say go ahead and, you know, try this clipper out. Even if you aren't a fan of Wahl, try the clipper out, see what you think. This one I would recommend over the Magic Clip. I mean, over the OG Magic Clip, because it is a little bit more powerful. But if you have a Senior, if you have a metal Magic Clip, I think that this would be in the same realm as that. The Senior, the 1919, I think that this is up there in that echelon as far as power is concerned. But for me, this was a cop. I'm glad that I got it. I enjoy it being on my station and in my arsenal. But other than that, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed the overview. I hope I could pass on some information. I hope I could make this insightful, and hopefully I can, you know, sway you yes or no to buying it. I'm not gonna bash the clipper and you know, talk smack about it. It is good. It is a great clipper. It's powerful. It's ergonomic. You know, you can't really complain. Wahl puts out, you know, a lot of the same stuff because they are in that bracket. They are in that top echelon of clipper companies where they don't have to come out with anything new. They don't have to do that because their name has been so established that they can keep on, you know, re-releasing the same stuff. Just like Jordans, you know, Jordan is like the top tier of sneakers. So Jordan's going to continue to put out the same shoes with different colorways, and people are still going to continually buy it. And that is exactly where Wahl is at right now with in the clipper business. So stay tuned. Got more content to come. Lock in. I will be doing a tutorial with these. Appreciate everybody for tuning in and watching this video. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, turn on your post notifications. Until next time, God bless.